It was amended because of my other case in federal court, the Gil Muhammad case, alleging that, you know, the judge violated in Hamtramck. But this particular case, obviously there's no issue of the face matter, and that's what that particular rule addresses. It's made specific, and it even says it's basically to address those particular matters, not as to the, the face. The face is clearly visible here, so I think this is a clear-cut First Amendment violation on behalf of the judge.
I also would love to ask Rodney, does this change the way you feel about, I don't know how much time you were planning on staying here in our area in Michigan, in the U.S., and if you want to talk about what your status is and how long you plan to be here, has this changed your
By the
thoughts?
way, and I'll turn it over to her, I'm really sorry.
That's
I'm
okay.
sorry to cut you off. We mean you all right.
Oh,
but it's,
right, we are.
What's particularly insulting too is that this particular judge sits basically in his chamber, basically down the hallway from another state judge that wears a hijab in the courtroom. So I mean, for him to say that he's basically oblivious to the nature of this particular type of clothing is really ridiculous. So I just wanted you to know that.
Who's the judge?
Have you tried talking to the judge at all? Has he, from anyone, have you tried speaking to the judge or?
I have not tried.
Asking him, this is an occurrence that's, strictly with you, or this has happened other people, do you know?
You know what, and I have not, but given the demeanor when the gentleman in the row basically said that this is a scarf judge, he didn't want to hear it, And again, I mean, it really strikes at the core and it humiliates the individual before him. So I really didn't get a chance to talk to the judge now.
I'm sorry, can you repeat your question?
Yeah, I was just wondering if this changes the way you feel about Michigan or the U.S., and if you can tell us anything about your plans while you're here this time. I did hear you say that you were here before to visit family, or when you were a kid. Whatever you feel comfortable saying about being here, but also how it might affect your future here.
In the beginning, I thought about, like going back home, but then I said, no, it's okay. I should not, I love this country. The people are nice. It's just probably this person or this judge was not fair with me. It doesn't mean everybody's not good or anything like that. So, no, I'm going to stay here and plan to be a lawyer, actually. And I'm a fashion designer and trying to work on these two things together.